Hey guys, so I bought this twin size bed frame off of Amazon.com, and so what I'm going to do is unbox it and put it together for you, show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and get at it. Put some plastic on it here. Off. Okay, so let's go ahead and set our pieces apart. That's part of our frame, and then we got our slats here. So these are all connected. The rest of the parts are inside here, and let's go ahead and get these out of the inside here. So we've got our bolts and our installation kit, some more bed framing. Alright, first step, we're just going to put these plastic washers on here and screw these up into the footer here. Alright, next we're going to take the two leg support system and just open them up like this. Okay. Like this. Flip that leg down there. And flip this leg down here. Now, we're going to cross these two in this little pocket right here. Use one of the nuts from the kit. We're going to go ahead and screw this down in here to secure it. And using the little socket wrench that they brought, the little driver they included in the kit, we'll tighten this up. Alright, so now we're going to attach the footer of the bed to this, the support frame. And there's already a screw in here, and you can see there's a groove right here in this little slot. And we'll just slide that down in there. Go ahead and put another one in before you tighten it up here. And just put that all the way in. Alright, now tighten them both up. Loosen these screws up here just a little bit to make it easier on yourself. And then we're going to take one of these side supports and just line those up right there. Put that down in there. And then this one right here will go right in these here. Once you got them in, go ahead and tighten these up. Alright, now do the same for the other side. Okay, so now we're going to take two more sides, side A and B, and we're going to connect them to these headboard feet. And we're going to do these facing opposite directions. We want these boards facing each other, so this one's going to go on like this. Make sure to keep pressure down on this board when tightening so it doesn't come up. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these two sides on. I'm just going to loosen this up to make it a little easier on myself. Okay. We'll tighten this one up here. Let's put this one on. Okay, so now we're going to install the header support beam. So we're just going to put these between the two spaces here. There's holes through the back side here. We're going to use one of the included bolts, line it up with the thread, and tighten it up. Going to use another bolt to connect this to right here. Now we need to put 2 bolts in here to keep these legs from collapsing. So we'll put one here and one over there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the headboard on now. Just insert right here. There's 4 bolts on each side. Just put one to begin with to get it lined up. Don't worry about getting all 4. You put the other in after you get the one in and lined up. Alright, all we got left to do is put the rest in and tighten those up. Okay, all we got to do is put our slats on. We've got Velcro here, so line the first board up there to that front edge, and then push your Velcro down. These hold your slats into place, and same thing here. And there you go, guys. The bed is fully assembled. So I ordered this Molblly mattress and twin bed set off of Amazon. So I put the bed together. Now I'm going to unbox the mattress for you. So let's go ahead and get at it. And you want to be careful unboxing memory foam mattresses. That you can't do it quickly. You have to give it time. They're all very compressed, and so they kind of have to naturally undo themselves. All right, get it open. Let's get it out of the box here. So it comes with a thank you and a little quick cutter here. This will be a lot safer than using, like, say, a knife. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to roll this thing out. So this is the bottom here, or the end of it. So we're going to use this little cutter thing here to cut this plastic off. Don't want to put a hole in the actual mattress itself. Now we're not going to unroll, we're going to let it unroll naturally. As the air, it starts to absorb air, it'll not naturally unroll itself. And now we're just going to wait for it to fully recover overnight. We'll come back in the morning and then we'll put the bed linens on and just let it do its thing naturally all by itself.
Okay, so it's the following morning. I let it expand overnight. It's fully expanded. So let's go ahead and get this plastic bag off of it and take a look at the mattress here. All right, so the mattress has expanded all over the whole night, and got a nice mattress here. This actually, I bought this for my father, who's coming to visit, and wanted to have a nice bed for him to sleep on. So got the mattress and the bed frame all together, and hopefully he's going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the heart or thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.